Good morning. It is Saturday. The time is 8:30 and we're getting ready to leave to go to the markets. After that, we'll spend some time hanging around and then we're gonna go whale watching at 1 o'clock. So yeah, stay tuned. Should be an exciting day. Hopefully we see some whales. See the light where the sky meets the sea, it calls me. Drop my bottle.
Look at you, and I know it's gonna be a
Lovely day, lovely day, lovely day, lovely day. Fun fact, there used to be hundreds of thousands of blue whales, but now there's only about 3,000. Here we see the 100-year-old pier. This is where they used to export sugarcane, coal, and all sorts of other things. It also used to be twice as long. Fun fact, did you know that orcas are the most predatory whales, or should I say animals, in the entire ocean? Oh! Let's go! Whoa!